Struggling to supercharge your lead generation? Do you have a deep subject matter knowledge, but you're unable to establish yourself as an industry expert? Looking to build better relationships with your prospects? Well, imagine if there was a way to leverage all of the deep insight and knowledge that you have within your company in a cost-efficient and time-efficient way, in turn creating more engaging content than you've ever had before. That's exactly where Prohibition's new integrated podcasting service comes in. Business podcasting brings a whole host of benefits. Did you know that 43% of UK B2B decision makers regularly tune into podcasts for their business-related content? 77% of marketeers are swearing by podcasts as the most efficient content for lead generation. It's like having a magic wand for attracting those golden opportunities straight to your doorstep. Let's explain how it works. We've created tons of podcasts for brands looking to expand their reach. We've even created our own marketing show, Socially Unacceptable, which is already a top 10 marketing podcast in the UK with tens of thousands of downloads. So following hours and hours of careful research and recordings, loads of mistakes and several key learnings along the way, we've developed a unique 3-stage process that will help you capture your audience's attention and supercharge your brand's trust. Step 1. We work with you to devise an engaging podcast concept using our proprietary insight and planning tools. This is about ensuring you have real cut-through with your chosen topic. Step 2. We'll then bring your concept to life through high-quality studio-based audio and video recordings. And finally, Step 3, we'll then amplify it everywhere and get it racing up the podcast charts, becoming the talk of your sector on social and traditional media. And best of all, our integrated approach means a single podcast generates a wealth of content. From full transcriptions and blog posts to social snippets, long-form video and much more. There's no other form of content marketing that can compete with that. Get in touch to find out more.